You're at a local bar tonight.
Yeah, sorry, guys.
Looks delicious.
Yeah,
it does.
Okay, what's happening out there? Looks like it's wet.
Yes, very wet out there, and maybe you were unlucky or lucky enough, either way you look at it, to be caught under one of these heavier downpours. I had to run to the hardware store during my lunch break, and well, I was one of the unlucky ones without an umbrella to pick up on some of these heavy downpours from earlier this evening. But it left us some great rainbow views out towards the Beaverton area. Our very own Jenny Hansen sending in that photo. And I love this one from Mary. Not only is it a double rainbow, but if you look close enough, you can actually make out a little bit of a hummingbird enjoying its evening meal out towards Hillsboro earlier today. If you happen to have a weather photo or video you'd like us to see, scan the QR code on your screen. That will direct you to KOIN.com, where we can continue the conversation over there. Our rain gauge is quite happy across our area, filling up close to about 1/10 of an inch to 1/4 of an inch for the I-5 corridor, closer to that half-inch mark for some of our coastal communities. As we take a live look at the cloudy conditions out over downtown Portland on this Wednesday evening, 63 degrees, so comfortable out there, keeping those cloudy skies for the rest of the overnight hours into tomorrow morning as we fall back into the upper 50s. You can see that our radar and satellite really starting to calm down after we saw that heavy batch of rain move through right around 7:30 to 8 o'clock earlier today. And there you go. It's still moving over the high terrain at the Cascades as it slowly fizzles out. So this is all part of a low pressure system that helped drop our temperatures, bring back that chance of rain. Now it's on the move further to the north, but it kind of stabilizes or flattens out the jet stream, keeping those mild and below average temperatures with us over the next several days as we prepare for yet again another trough to push its way back into western Oregon and southwest Washington. That's going to keep those fall-like vibes coming over the next several days. So we dry things out for Thursday, Friday. By the time we get into the weekend, staying mostly dry, but I wouldn't be surprised if we pick up on a raindrop or two before our next numerous chance for widespread accumulative rain showers isn't until early next week. Now, before we get there, let's run through your future cast. That's where the hit and miss shower potential remains tonight into the start of the day tomorrow. So maybe the kiddos need that rain jacket as we dry things out by the afternoon, taking us into Friday morning, Friday afternoon, a mix of the sun and the clouds, helping to warm those temperatures back up into the low 70s. Additional rain accumulation, at least through Thursday night, kind of lackluster, a couple of 1/100ths of an inch if you're lucky enough to even get that amount. But I had mentioned those kiddos, make sure they're packed with their rain jacket for the start of the day tomorrow. They won't need it by the afternoon and evening as we warm up to about 72. Tonight, 58 degrees. That's where we settle on. And for tomorrow's high, at least along the coastline, back up into the low to mid 60s, mostly cloudy conditions, a few sun breaks. The I-5 corridor, low 70s, and finally starting to feel comfortable east of the mountains, 60s and 70s for many of us, and even the high terrain falling back to 52 for Government Camp. Our 7-day forecast shows a mix of rainy days, and then we dry things out. That teeter-totter effect taking us into the weekend, where we will hold on to those mostly cloudy conditions, but temperatures really quite comfortable. Low 70s for us, and our next best chance to see the wide range showers and the cumulative rain showers isn't until Tuesday, but our daytime high, 68 degrees. So Elizabeth, a bit of a shock to the system as we continue to see these cooler temperatures.
Okay, I'll try not to complain and be like this.
I know you got your sweaters. I know you do.
I know. So I am enjoying it. Thanks, Josh. Hey, Jeff and Adam.